Right now, I'm sitting on my bed. I tried to record video outside, but I didn't. Cause the sky is totally overcast. Today's weather it's not good. Because of that, I thought why not come in my room and recording video. So yesterday it was my first challenging video and today is the day 2 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. I want to improving my focus. Most of the time I mention that. I want to improving my focus. I lose my ability to focus any kind of task. And yesterday I record my video at 10 p.m. Like uh it is like around 10 past 13 past 10 or something. I'm not remembering the exact time, but I recorded my video and I upload it. If you see the time of my video, you can understand how much I am like thinking about my challenge. Most of the time I try to focus my task. If I'm like I take a task that I am reading 10 pages a day, I am not like focusing it. Even I cannot read one page. So because of that I thought to take a challenge and improving my focusing. Most of the time I need to do my household chores. Yeah, if I am sharing with you my daily task or daily work at my home. So 13 past 6 I wake up, I go outside, I sweep floor, mop those floor, doing dishes, wash clothes, and so on. There is a lots of work I need to do since morning, like since 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. Continuing, I need to work at my home. So after 1 p.m., if I'm going to do any kind of things, so I go Instagram, I do practice every day, and I read books. So I have just little time to improving my English, and I am taking those times because I know that one day I will be reach my dream or my goal. So my goal is not to speak English or something. My goal is to, if I'm sharing with you, that I want to see that yesterday, what I was yesterday, I want to make myself better than yesterday. It doesn't matter like if I'm earning uh, 1 lakhs money in a month. I don't need like that type of goal. I want to make more knowledgeable person than yesterday. So right now it's like around 5 p.m. I'm recording this video because I know that if I'm going at night time, it will not that much of time that I can record video in my upcoming time. So yesterday we were doing some work. Like my husband come and bringing bricks from our near place. Cause I'm not showing you that our new house it's making. So it's need brick, so cements. So after return from my husband job, my husband went to nearest place where the bricks are had